Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create an email in HubSpot. Now, come in the left-hand panel, you can click on this megaphone icon, then click on email. Now from here, you can go ahead and choose one of your marketing emails that you have set up. If you don't have any set up, you can come here at the top right, click on create email. You can use one of their templates. You can click a regular email, click on next. Right here, of course, you can start your own template, create your own one from scratch, right? This is one I created myself, or you can use one of their templates that they have for example, e-commerce, engagement, announcements, events, whatever you are trying to do. So let's say you are just, greeting them with a maybe welcome, right? You can go ahead and choose this, for example, as the template. And when you want to send the emails, you just come here and click on a scan or a schedule. Here, you need to select your recipients, okay? So we will select from this contact list, right? If you want to select some individual contacts, you could do that as well, right? Right here. So we are going to send it to 6 contacts. There we go. And if there are any people or a list of people that you don't want to send it to, you can go ahead and select those here. Okay. And when you're ready, just, toggle on send now, or you can schedule one for later. Select the time, the date, right? So we'll just do send now, and then you come and click on review and send, right? And you do need a subject line, company name, and address. So we need to fix that. Under settings, make sure you have subject line, example, welcome. Okay. The other thing is the company name and address. You can go ahead and add that, save your changes, and then you can go ahead and send emails. I'm not going to send emails to this random people, but you can go ahead and send it to your contacts. It's really that easy and simple.